Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is the COOEXES and it is a magnetic wireless car charger. I just kind of open the top of it here and we get everything out. So I'll show you all the pieces and parts. This is the charging part of it. So this will be what you can magnetize, I guess, onto your window, and then a little charging pad here. It's got the little port for the wire, which will be USB here. I'll stick it in there. To USB to USB-C. It's got a little USB-C input there. It won't fit in my car. I have a Tesla, so I need the USB-C to USB-C. So I'll need a little converter. But I will put that on there. And then you can see you can kind of move this all around. It comes with these other two mounts as well. So it comes with this one here, which I guess you can just tape on. I could probably stick it on the back of my little screen or stick it on a dashboard if you wanted to. And then this one here, which is always cool. This one here gives you the ability to tighten it up and loosen it up. If I hold it this way, here we go. So you can make it big and then put it around one of the fins on the air conditioner duct thing, and then you can cinch it up and there, and then you just put this cap on that. So here we go. So it's got those, and then it's got a few mounting things, some extra stickers and whatnot that could come in handy as well. And it looks like you can see this thing here is flexible, so I can bend this to fit however I want. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Let me stick this onto here. I'll show you guys. So to connect this up, all you really do is you just put it onto like a window, however you want it, right there. I was just gonna put mine up here. I clearly wouldn't want it right in my field of view, but if I put it on against the dark, you might not be able to see it. So, and then you can magnetize your phone right onto it. So I can see that. I can have my navigation going, be watching YouTube videos, whatever the heck I want while I'm driving. Probably wouldn't want to do that, but you get the idea. And it just magnetizes on with the magnet there. I have a little hand grip thing, and it even works with that. So that's really cool, and you just plug it in. So it's a really nice little one here, and it comes off super easy. And I have the little plastic on it. You would probably take the plastic off, but I won't do that right now. But it's cool because you can have it up there, and then you get to just aim it however you want. It's all flexible, so you can just flex it down. I can have it right in my face. So how cool. So that's one thing cool about this particular mount. But then if you just want to use the one that goes in the vent, you just use this one here and put it in the vent, and that is not quite as adjustable because you're only gonna put the end of it on the charging part on it. So it's really cool. I'm gonna say this is a really nice one here. This is by COOEXES. And it's a great little mount, and I love the way it comes with those extra little pieces as well. So you can really bring it anywhere. I'll be sticking this one in my bag, so I'll take it with me whenever I travel. So when I rent a car, I can have the flexibility of setting this up wherever I want. So I like it. Thumbs up.